All right, let's be real. Sometimes you just don't want another cup of coffee. Maybe you're trying to cut back, or maybe caffeine just isn't working its magic anymore. Either way, you need an energy boost. So what do? Here's my step-by-step guide to feeling more energized. No coffee required. Step 1. Hydrate. Sounds simple, right? But dehydration is one of the sneakiest reasons we feel sluggish. So, before you reach for the energy drinks, try downing a big glass of water. Step 2. Move. Even just a little. Stand up, stretch. Shake out your arms, take a quick walk around the room. Movement gets your blood flowing and signals to your body, hey, it's time to wake up. Step 3. Natural light is your friend. Open the curtains, step outside, sit near a window. Sunlight tells your brain to stop making melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy. Bonus points for fresh air. Step 4. Snack smart. Forget the sugar rush, go for something with protein and healthy fats. Nuts, yogurt. These keep your energy steady instead of giving you that crash and burn feeling. Step 5. Try a power-up playlist. Seriously, music has a crazy effect on your mood and energy. Put on a song that makes you want to dance or even just hum along. Your brain lights up, and suddenly you're not so tired anymore. Step 6. Breathe deeply. Take 30 seconds, close your eyes, and inhale slowly through your nose. Then exhale out your mouth. Deep breathing calms your mind, brings in more oxygen, and helps you refocus. And finally, check your posture. If you're slouched over, your body thinks it's time to relax. Straighten up, roll your shoulders back, and you'll feel more alert instantly. So next time you hit that afternoon slump, skip the extra coffee and run through these steps instead. Hydrate, move, get some light, snack smart, play some music, breathe, adjust your posture. You'll be amazed at how much energy you can unlock just by making a few tiny changes. Try it out and let me know what works best for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.